Fence Installers provide fence installation across Hertfordshire, from Watford to Welwyn Garden City, Stevenage to St Albans, Hatfield to Hemel Hempstead, Hitchin, Letchworth and Potters Bar. We take care of every stage of the process, from supply of materials to installation and removal of your old fence. Customer reviews on Rated People, My Builder and Trusted Trader give Fence Installers a virtually perfect feedback score over many years. Evan in Letchworth Garden City said we did a fantastic job. Douglas was very pleased with the job done by Fence Installers. The fence is looking great. Everything was left clean and tidy. Wayne in Royston was really pleased with the new fence. Very good quality. And Ken in Buntingford praised a great standard of work and at a great price too. Both our materials and installation prices are always advertised. Call now or use our quick inquiry form or free price calculator.